here, and today I am playing BeamNG Drive. It's really loud. Okay, let me see. Okay, now I can start. Hold on. We did do a little play of this, or a video of this, but it was a demo and wasn't that good. Now we got the full game, and let's change car. What car should I use? Okay, this one's fast. I have downloaded some mods, but not very many. So, if you don't know what this game is, it's a game about crashing. Like seriously, it's all about crashing. So, if you want this game, I will leave a link in the description. You might be wondering how it's going on our texture pack as well, and it's going pretty well. What are those sounds? I've never noticed them. Those are them. And is there gear changes or? Oh, yeah, crash. What should we do here? Let's just crash into these things. Oh, wow. Oh, there's a loop-de-loop there? Oh, I want to try that. Okay, I don't think I should use this camera. No. I missed. First try. No! No! Oh, crap. Oh. Look at that damage. Okay, let's try again. No! Not again. Hey, come on. This time we can do this. Come on. Okay, let's go. No, again. Okay, let's try. Oh, let's try now. Okay, let's do this. No! Okay, let's just skip. No, let's do it one more time. We can do this, guys. Oh, okay. Maybe with another car. Let's try this one. Oh, there's a lot of these ones. Okay. There we go. Oh, I think the sounds are from a mod that's called Better Engine Sounds or something like that. And that's probably it. Oh, no. Oh, crap. Let's do it from the interior this time. Come on. Do this. Yes. No. Ah, that was so close. How does this car crash? Oh, it's burning? What? Oh, wow. I've never seen that before. Is it the brakes or? Wow. This is awesome. I've never seen this before. Wow. What mod have I downloaded? Okay, this time we can do this. We can do this. We can do this, guys. Guys, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, 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 no. Okay, let's just go into another map. Which map should we use? The cliff. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. This is a map where just go ahead and drive down a cliff. And where are all my mods? Are they gone? Apparently all my mods are gone. Well, okay, let's just use this bow light. Yeah, this is awesome. Check out this. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. This is good. Come on, yes, we did it, we did it, we did it. Flipped over. Let's just go! Crash, crash, crash. That didn't go far. Oh, oh, oh. It's going, it's going, it's going, it's going. Ah, boring. Full speed! Oh. No. Okay. Okay then. Okay. Maybe we should use off-roader. I think there's an off-road version of this. I did accidentally spawn that. Yes, there is. Wait, has there been an update? Oh, I haven't seen this car before. Wait, what? Has there been an update? Oh, I think there's been an update. Okay. Well then. That's cool. Come on, come on. Boom. Yeah, this is cool. This is awesome. Check out this. Yeah, we got all the way down. Scrolling over. Wow, check this out. That looks awesome. Oh, whoops. Look at that. Wow. Let's just spawn it here. Does it still work? Wow. Wow, it still works. How does this still work? How? How does this still work? Oh. Ah, okay. Let's just go into another map. It's not that fun on this cliff map. But where are all my mods? Maybe they... Yeah, I don't know. Where could we go now? Derby arenas. I think I've never been in this one. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so what? Is there like a derby mode of some sort? Controls, options, maybe? No. Wait, oh, slow-mo. gravity, so there's like, why am I not going? Real time. Go. Go. Rev, at least. Please. Okay, come on. How's it on Mercury? Is there less or more gravity there? Let's see. Jump. Okay, there's less. Let's try it with an even lighter car. I have the perfect one. There we go. Yeah, maybe we could. Sun. Zero gravity. Sun. Oh. Zero gravity. Oh, this is cool. Sun. Yeah. Zero gravity. Sun. I was burning. Sun. Oh, wow. What are those spikes? What the hell is this? Oh, what? What? Okay. Oh, there's still in the sun. Oh, I want to try this with a track. No, not a track. What are they called? I'll just go to the ground. Fall. There we go. And spawn in this trailer. This one, no, this one looks heavier. There we go. What's that? Numpad enter. What does that do? Back doors. No wait. Discharge cute. I know what that is. Numpad enter open back door. Why? Hold why? No. You. Okay, that doesn't work. Okay, so let's mess around with the gravity now. No gravity. Sun. Oh. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, I like the burning effect. Wow, that is so cool. Very cool update. Wow. This is really burning as well. Is there anything else we could do? Venus? Okay. No. No, crap. Jupiter, Pluto, floating upwards. Is there anything else we could do with the environment? Time? Oh, we can change to nighttime. And day scale, I don't know what that is. Yeah, day scale. There we go. Oh, it's going real fast. Oh, wind. Let's do Jupiter. Oh wow, what the hell happened now? What? What did just happen? Oh no. What have we done? Let's just change into this car. Middle of nowhere. Oh, this looks weird. This looks really weird. Yeah, go backwards. Yeah, let's see. No. Environment. Earth. Time. Okay, there we go. There's a lot of wind on it. What? Okay. There we go. Oh. I forgot that.
Literally hit 20 subscribers like right now.
What? 20 subscribers?
Yes.
Yeah! Drift! Oh. This one's actually pretty fast. Guys, did you hear that? We got 20 subscribers now. Got a new subscriber. Whoa! Donut! Okay, let's not get distracted. That's another episode. No video. We're probably going to post later today. I don't know how long I've been recording for, but I think we got time for one last thing to try. I want to try the loop-de-loop one last time. What car is good for this kind of thing? I don't know. Let's try this one. We don't want a car that's too fast, but we don't want one that's too bad either. I'm pretty sure there's an update now. Come on, this time. Yes. No. Let's try this one more time. We were really close. I think we can do this now. Do this. Come on. Oh. Yes, we did it. No, actually, it's one. Oh. Well, guys, I think I have to leave that episode there. We did loop-de-loop, and we got 20 subscribers. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed watching this video, and we will probably be back today with a 20 subscriber special. Goodbye. So here it is, 20 subscribers. But there's something wrong. It says 20 here. If we press on our channel thing here, it says 22. So I'm not sure, or we are not sure of which one's the correct one. But I hope it's this one, where it says 22. That was just a little quick update. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this BeamNG episode. If you did, like, subscribe, comment if you need to, and show your support by subscribing. Goodbye.